Okay, so in the previous video we were looking at different functions where we reflected them in the x and y axis, and we saw that with the function x squared minus 2x, when we reflected that in the x-axis, we got this red function, and then the y one reflects it in, the green function there is when it's reflected in the y-axis. And so the result of going from y equals f of x to y equals minus f of minus x is you reflect in both the x and y axis. So let's look at another example. F of x is 2 on x plus 1. Okay, so we've got a hyperbola here. The 1 on the bottom means that it cannot be at minus 1, f of x. And so if we were going to draw this original function, then it would look something like this. We'd have an asymptote here at minus 1. And then we'd have one part up here. Goes through 2 there. And then another part down the bottom. So that would be f of x. So what would the result be if I found minus f of minus x? Well, f of minus x would be equal to 2 over minus x plus 1, which is equal to minus 2 over x minus 1, and now minus f of minus x would then be equal to minus, outside of minus 2 over x minus 1, which would give me positive 2 over x minus 1. And now the result of this is then that this function here is a hyperbola with a vertical asymptote at 1, because x cannot take on the value of 1, and horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Okay, and so drawing that in, there's our asymptote. And where's it placed? Well, our two spots are pretty similar. So that guy's going to go through down there, and then I'll just give us all that. So it's going to continue up like that, and then down the bottom, it's going to go through like that. And so that's reflecting both in the x and y axis. So that's the function of minus f of minus x. I'm going to leave it there for you to give that a go in your exercises. Good luck.